Hello everyone, and welcome to my first unboxing video. This is the Fire HD8 by Amazon. It was released just in Canada recently, and I believe it's one of the latest versions of the HD8 tablets that other countries have been receiving. Now let's open up the bag and let's get to this box. The box is simple to open as it just has this pull tab that you just need to pull on, and inside of it is just this one sleeve that contains the tablet, the charging cable instruction booklet, and we also have the USB to power outlet charger. As you can see in here, they have stuffed the USB charger, and here are the instructions on the initial use and the various buttons for the tablet, such as the volume up and down and menu. Now the packaging is pretty tight on here, so let's open her up and see what it's like. It's a bit snug. The tablet is pretty heavy in size, and it is probably as thick as the first iPads that came out onto the market. Now that we have this in my hand, let's boot it up and see how it goes. Now this will be the first boot that we do with it, so it'll probably have some updates or configuration to do, so I'm just gonna stay quiet and you guys can enjoy the music. Here we are at the welcome screen, and you can see that we just need to hit the button here and we can get to our main apps. Here are our main apps, along with a little bit of a tutorial, but you can see all the Amazon apps. Now, the Fire HD does run an Android OS, but it is tailored to Amazon. So you won't see the Google Play Store or any Google apps on here like Gmail or Chrome. But those apps can be sideloaded on. There are many websites out there that will show you how to do this. Now the response on the screen time is a bit slow, and it's not as intuitive as, say, a Samsung phone or the iPhone in the response time, but for the price you are paying for the tablet, I'm not going to complain too much. As you can see, all of these random apps that Amazon has on here, the controls, like I said before, are not that great. And thank you for watching my video. I hope that you come back and watch another one.